Naka sa kinanganong me gumagaltag kin nanda bulan do kay matag ni ko isa na nung bitag na gumagaltag kay ni kin na matag naka na natabulay na matag ni ko nagana ko Mr. Chris Adams tumundo ko Roy ya suda nakatim ni January konondo kalima my Ipswich Australia. Ingwani nga ni Mavana, kabastal nga enakor ko Mavana. Enanono primary school, huli enakor huli ko Race View State School, Ipswich, may Australia, may naruanong dolo katili, kinaruanong dolo tingkawan. Kanda sarayani ki Rosewood State High School, may naruanong dolo tingkawitu, kinaruanong dolo gasong koro. Enamba kirono dolo rosan karua e mai taraki na netutu waka liu ni korni buli beir na wale tangane se school head boy kay sebu talengani ni wani wiki ni taraki na korni buli ko Rosewood State High School my Ipswich Australia. Ena wanongo is a repeater na University of Southern Queensland in a Springfield campus my Australia. Eda kawatikon no nakuro ni business sa Bachelor of Business kasi may bakang nabarauti namatay ni no na yambat. Ena beka nga do talitaka do talitaka nang dito laka sa kinababangan biya na rugby league. Indo tentang na wanindik si may renalis na bing makawa may baleta na Vivanua, Tamata, Itobo, ni tamata si culture da Veronica kina veka taleso. Endo tel nga na do bulisere na langsere dani si kinakani. Nitik som ni manutung dan Yesus kim ni nangoni utilag me romadang tanga maglag nang do kay na matak ni kuasa laksan kay na kinangeni. Nakal surat salam daw lang ito kay utak ni po ng tanong na masiligin.
Isang grupo na ng mga ni Buli. Di Mavana District School. Kurangan na Tui Kumbuda. Kurangan na Taltala. Yung mga to tampatakataka ko Mavana. Tumbutumbang daw ni Vay Susu. Gas ni Buli Liu. It is a huge privilege and an honor to be invited as the chief guest at this special occasion. In regards to the graduation and award ceremonies for the young, talented, innovative and intelligent students of the Mavana District School. As the student ends a year's worth of hard work and achievements, I know they will embark on a new chapter of schooling in the coming years. For the students, our graduating students in kindergarten, to class 1, 2, 3, all the way to our graduating class 8. I know our graduates in class 8 will take on a huge task in commencing their studies in secondary school next year. And with the classes below class 8, we'll face more exciting learning opportunities in the years to come. Firstly, I would like to specially mention a huge vinakavak level to the Ministry of Education of the Fiji government and to all the teachers from the kindergarten to class 8 for their efforts in contributing their knowledge and experience when it comes to teaching in the classroom, giving the students of the Mavana District School opportunities to prepare themselves for their exams and special activities. I thank all of the teachers for your dedication in teaching throughout your day-to-day program throughout this year. And to the students, your commitment in schooling this year will be rewarded with today's special gift-giving ceremony. Before the staff presents the awards to our participants and graduates, I would like to give a few words of inspiration and encouragement. You can never stop learning about things throughout your lives and in your schooling years and onto your future careers. There will be plenty of topics, subjects, and classes to explore and discuss. So don't forget that learning will always come. There's a quote my tata will always tell Kessa, my older sister, Chia, my younger sister, and me, that learning always starts from home. Any skills or any techniques that you may develop that's been passed down from your parents, your grandparents, your aunties and uncles, onto you, or your cousin brothers and sisters, or your siblings. You must cherish any learning experience, no matter the situation. Therefore, when you pursue your own career in the future, you are already individually equipped to the person you aim to be. Would also like to specially mention another huge vinakavaka level to the parents for your hard work and your sacrifice. Education for your children comes first, as you all may know very well. And I am very happy to witness today and see your support rewarded with today's special ceremony. We hope you all enjoy the celebrations. And from the Koroi family in Delana, Samalova and congratulations.